Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, cloth seat trim, body color door handles, tinted glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.